Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we're inside our 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and if you're anything like me, you're absolutely sick of hitting the little A with the circle around it to turn off that auto stop start. In the summer here in Pennsylvania, I definitely turn mine off almost every day because when I'm sitting at red lights, I don't want that air conditioning to get a little bit warmer. Plus, I just don't like the Jeep turning on and off. Now, instead of having to hit that every single time I get into the Jeep, Autostop Eliminator has come out with a device that is a simple plug and play to completely eliminate the need to press that button. It's going to remember the last function of your Jeep and go onto it right as soon as you start it up. So as soon as I fire up the Jeep here, that auto stop start will be turned immediately off. It won't throw any error codes on the hood, and it's a completely plug and play design. Now, these are available for the Jeep Wrangler and the Jeep Gladiator. They are separate part numbers due to some of the wiring in the Jeeps. Today we're going to be installing it onto a 2020 Gladiator Overland with the audio package. It's a little bit different if you don't have that. However, it's not much. The biggest thing you need to do is unplug one end of your security gateway module underneath here, plug this in, and then plug that into the other side of it. It's really that simple. They even include 4 zip ties for you, and this can literally be done in about 5 minutes. Now, I've seen a couple mods on the internet where you can basically go underneath and remove the hood sensor, but then you get an error code on the dash. The auto stop start won't work, but I just think it looks cheesy, especially on a brand new vehicle. This is gonna plug in there, you won't even know it's there, and you'll be good to go. So that being said, let's pop this trim panel off, get this installed, and then we'll turn that auto stop off for good. So guys, sorry about that. That actually went a lot quicker than I was anticipating. What you need to do is go ahead and pull this lower dash panel off, and the gateway module is gonna be up underneath here. Now I'm gonna hop underneath there and we'll try and get you a shot of what it looks like. It's gonna be super tight up in there, but basically there'll be an audio module up top here, and then towards the back, there's going to be another little module, and you'll see the exact same pin size or the plug size, and you'll wanna remove that one. So this is the side you wanna pull out. It'll be the smaller and it'll have 8 prongs in it. Now what we're gonna do is connect this to the female side of the bypass connector from Autostop Eliminator, plug the Autostop Eliminator up into that original plug, and then get it all zip tied out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in. You'll hear a clip to the end of the Autostop Eliminator, and then this end is what's gonna plug back into the factory location. That'll go right in, and you'll see the clip. This will face towards the front of the Jeep. So that clip will be towards the front of the Jeep, and it'll clip right in. And that's it. Hear that small clip? Now what I'm gonna do is use those 3 zip ties and zip tie this module up and out of the way. That way it doesn't hang down or interfere with anything else. So last thing we're gonna do is install the lower dash panel, and that'll just clip right back on the same way we pulled it off. It went on a little bit easier than it came off really quick, guys. I was actually surprised by that. So that just clips right on there. So we'll go to put the Jeep into the run position. And as you can see, the auto stop start is immediately illuminated, which means that it's turned off. Now what this is gonna do is it's gonna remember what this function was set to. Now the next time we shut it off, you can see everything shut off there. We'll turn it back to the run position. And immediately it's to the same, it's illuminated, so we don't have to touch it every time we go on. And I like the fact that it doesn't just disable it and not show you, it disables it and keeps the factory functionality. So if I go ahead and press this to turn it off, when I shut the Jeep off, and turn it back to on or to run, it's still gonna stay off. So it's gonna remember that exact same functionality. It's really clean and an easy way to integrate this into your factory system. I think that's really nice, guys, and to be honest, I think that should be a factory feature of the Jeep Gladiator. It's almost like one of those things where you go on and mess with the aux switches where you can turn them on a momentary or turn on with the vehicle. I think that you should be able to do that right away. Just be able to go in and click it. But since Jeep doesn't allow that and doesn't have any functionality to do that, the Autostop Eliminator is the perfect accessory to add on there just to be able to delete it and disable it, but still have the functionality. So if you still want to turn the auto stop start on when you're driving through, you know, if it's a nice fall day, you can let it on and Jeep will still shut off at the red light when it needs to. But if you want to keep it off, you can just click that button and the Jeep will remember the functionality. Super easy install, guys. It was done in less than 5 minutes, and it's available right here at cjponyparts.com.